Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Asante Kotoko just beat Legon Cities 1-0 at their passport stadium. The first 3 points of the season. Goal scorer Osman Ibrahim scored in the first half to give Asante Kotoko all 3 points. Osman Ibrahim, Idom Frimpong and Imane Keke, they all came out injured. They were replaced by Evan Sodomako, Samuel Frimpong and Sule Muniru. Sule Muniru played in the midfield. Samuel Frimpong played in the midfield but later went to the right back, and Christopher Neti moved to the right back. This shows you that Kotoko needs more players in the midfield position because of the injury situation. Latif Anabila was on the bench but he wasn't used, which suggests that he's not that fit to play. Fabio Gama wasn't in the squad today, and I'm hoping they'll be fit for our next game. Now about the game, the performance was not that good. We were lucky to draw this game, but we have to commend the players because they gave all their best, especially the defenders. Habib Mohammed and Abdul Ganiu, they played very well today and they helped keep a clean sheet. Abdul Ganiu was holding Asamoah all through and managed to stop him from scoring us. It was a very, very good game. I am pleased we have recorded our first 3 points of the season, and I'm hoping that Maxwell Konode will look at this performance and see the need to enforce the boys to improve the performance, because with this performance there is no way we are winning the CAF Champions League. We are going to struggle in the CAF Champions League if we don't improve. But the performance today, sometimes we see some good attacking runs, Kwame Poku, Emmanuel Jimfi, and it's just that the connections between the players is not seen. I think they can improve, and I'm hoping they do, because we are going to need that improvement as the season continues. So that's a quick update, and we'll probably do another video tomorrow to explain more or talk more about the game. So if you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye bye.